Hi, my name is Jim Gribble, and I'm the author of The Innovative Engine. My brother, a famous tattoo artist, was kind enough to be the illustrator for The Innovative Engine. Our goal for this campaign is to print out as many books as the funds will allow and drop them off at public libraries all across the United States of America. With your help, we'll be able to get these books in elementary school libraries and public libraries from California all the way to New York City. I hope you can contribute to this campaign.